Hello everyone. In this session, we will quickly look at two advanced features of Elementor Pro. One is to create a single page post template, and second one is to create an archive page template for your blog posts. In order to get started, what I did is I just randomly created 6 blog posts, okay? And we will have a structure for this now. First of all, WordPress will give me a default structure. Let me just show you that. Let me just go to my website. Go to blog, and currently my blog posts are being shown in this fashion, right? This is the title, this is the featured image, this is the title, this is the featured image. So this is the archive page that I have right now. It looks pretty odd, right? Doesn't look good. Also, let us see how my single blog looks like. And this looks really bad, right? This is how my blog is looking right now. Okay, let's transform this. But before doing that, let me just show you how Elementor blog looks like. And this is how their blog archive looks like, right? And let's also open a single page and see how their blog post gets displayed. This is the title, this is the image, and it looks pretty neat, right, guys? So let's have something like this for our blog archive and for our single blog page. What I have to do is simply go to templates, add new, select archive, and let's just choose archive name and create. And let's just pick some random archive page to work on. This structure looks good. 3 columns structure. Let's just add that. Click on insert. And now my archive looks something like this, right? Let me just make some change. You can 100% edit this, guys. You can remove anything, add anything, make changes to your content, make changes to colors, and all that. You can go and do it here. It's a pretty simple technique. This is the layout that if you want to change, you'll be able to change the layout as well. In fact, a 2-column layout looks good for my page. And once you are done with all these changes, all you have to do is come here and choose the display condition. What display condition suggests is where do you want to have this archive template. So currently I'll have chosen all archives. So this particular template will show up on my all archive pages. In the future, when you will have a lot of blog posts, you might have multiple categories as well. You can select a particular category for this particular template to show up. So right now I'm just choosing all archive and I'll click on save. And my archive page is live. Now let's just go back. So this was my previous archive page. Let's just refresh. And if you see, I have a brand new blog archive page. This looks pretty neat, right? And you can make any changes while editing the archive template. Spend some time in editing the archive page to get the best result possible. I'll not get into the editing part right now. So this is how the archive pages are created. Now let's go to the single blog post page. Now this is how it is looking right now. Let's just have it changed. I'll go to the dashboard. I'll come to templates again. And I'll again create add new, select single this time. And what type of post do you want to create a template of? Let's just choose post, and let's just choose a random name, post template, and create. And Elementor Pro team will give us these many default templates to choose from. Let's just choose a random template right now and click on insert. Great. Now my blog page will look something like this. So before publishing, you may want to change the style, color, combinations, and all these settings. You'll be able to do that. Once you're satisfied with the result, let's go to display condition And again, we need to choose where do you want to put this template. So all my posts right now will have this particular template. If I want to have it, for a particular category, you can do that as well. Or if you want this design for a single post, you can choose that as well. You just have to type in the name of your blog post. Once done, all you have to do is click on save, and your single blog page template will be live. Great, it is live now. Let's just refresh this blog post and see how it looks. And there you go. It looks pretty awesome now. It has the title, the author, the date, the featured image, and all the content. Great. That's all about it, guys. Let's just do a quick recap. When you want to create a new archive template, all you have to do is click on archive and create it. If you want to create a single page or post template, you can just go to single page post template and create the template. It's that simple. I hope you learned these two advanced features. These are very easy, guys, to implement. If you like this video, just hit the thumbs up button. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot, guys.